What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this Lavalier microphone. Now, I got this Lavalier microphone on Amazon Prime Day. Okay, so this was like at least July 11th or July 12th. It was about 40 bucks. I haven't really looked back on the site to see if I really got a deal or not, but it said it was a deal, so when I post it, I'll know if it's a deal. We could go over some of the specs right here. It says transmission distance is 98 feet. Standard charging time is about 2.5 hours. And with that 2.5 hours, it says 8 hours battery life. That seems pretty good. I doubt that you'll be on these for 8 hours straight. So let's go ahead and open the box, check it out. Now for me, 40 bucks, and the style, I like how the style is. I like this style of lavalier mics, the little rectangle mics, and okay, I like this little case. Put this to the side, and let's check it out. Oh, okay. Now this is smaller than even what I imagined. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than that, but this is, I like this. Nice and compact. Have a little nice design right here. USB Type-C right here. So that's a mic. It's another mic. So this will be fun and interesting, you guys, just like the other lavalier mics that we reviewed on the channel. Let's go and see what fun stuff we have in here. Okay, we got a wire. Right here it says for camera, so it already lets you know. Basically one USB split up to 2 chargers. So we got a way to hook it up to your iPhone, if you want to hook this up to your iPhone. Okay, so they are phone friendly. So we got another hookup for USB or Type-C. What else fun stuff we have? Now we have headphones. We have wind buffers right here. There's a little indent. Alright. Oh, okay. Snaps right on in. Okay, you guys, so this is awesome. I'm loving this right now. I'm actually ready to go outside, test this out. Let me charge it for a little bit and hold on a second. Oh, okay, here we go. I was ready to say, where's the instructions? Okay, this is nice. All right. Okay, you guys, so let me do some reading. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead now. Can you put this back on with the wind buffers? Not really. It's best to go ahead and take the wind buffer off before you try to put it in here, unless you put it in like this and you have nothing else you really want to carry in here. If you're a camera guy, then you may want to just carry your aux for your hookup right there. That's about it. I don't think if you are a certain type of guy, you're not carrying everything. That's just, it is what it is. But other than that, that's about it. Let me go ahead. I'll meet y'all out in the field, and then we can go over the distance test and, you know, the sound quality. And that's about it. So I have the receiver right here, and in the instructions it says turn on the TX and the RX at the same time. So basically hit both of these buttons at the same time, and it says it start the pairing mode, and there you go. I believe the green light is the pairing mode. It says connect receiver to device with the 3mm blah blah blah. Alright, so it says this is on. Cord for the camera is right here. Let's test this bad boy out. Alright, now I got y'all in the mic right there, right? Now y'all give me a second, because y'all won't hear me for a little while. I'm going to take it off. Alright, back you up. Alright, now we have this. Alright, now this turned orange. What does orange mean? Alright, you guys, so this is staying orange. I hope y'all can hear me. I am going to do a little playback real quick just to make sure this thing working, because this one is orange and that one is green. It says noise reduction on. Noise reduction. Okay. So right now I am not reducing the noise, but if I turn it to orange, then it should have the noise reduction on. So this is me talking regular, and now this is the noise reduction off, noise reduction on. Okay. And what's the other button? Oh, they got reverb. It's a reverberation. Reverbation. Never seen that one before. So let's go ahead and click it. All right. So when you click Reverb Nation, it went from green to orange. And hopefully y'all have some Reverb Nation. Maybe I have to hold it. Let me see if I have to hold it. So I'm holding it down right now. So see if you have the Reverb Nation. All right. Anyway, so we're about to do a distance test. Let me see if I got audio first. All right, you guys. So we should have audio. I am about to do the distance test. Now, remember when I did the other lavalier mic test, I tested from basically where we are now, back there where the bird feeder and stuff is located, and it's about 65 foot, 70 foot. So we got a good 50 to 70 foot to play with. So I will be doing the test for y'all on that. Now I am going to go over just 3 of the cool features. They call it reverbation on here, but we just call it reverb in the music world. Okay, so this thing does have reverb, which is cool. I actually listened to the playback through the camera, so I could hear it, but the audio sounds better to me on the computer instead of the camera. So I will do the final check on the audio when I do the edits. This thing does have a mute mode. You can mute it. It says one click the power button. So you press the power button one time, one click, and then you see a red flash, and that is your mute mode. The low battery alarm, blah blah blah, and you have the noise reduction. So that is 3 of some cool features they have. For something being $40, not that bad. I don't know the price now, but I bought it $40 when it was Prime Day sale. So I'm about to go ahead and walk out, and hopefully y'all can still hear me. I am going out over here on our test plots with the weed killer, and wow, these weeds are definitely dead, and weeds and grass, so it looks pretty good. Gotta go here. I took my bird feeders out so I can spray the weed killer down, and it looks pretty good over here. All right, we got our Japanese trees growing real good. Had them since they was babies. I'm about to spray over here in a little bit, but this is our 65 to 70 foot test right here. Hopefully y'all can still hear me nice and clear, and y'all can let me know how y'all like the mic. Ready to head back right now, still talking to y'all, so y'all can hear if there's any interference or not. Yeah, so everything is coming along. Just doing some outside work today, working on my rain barrels and stuff. It's flying bees around me, getting them away, coming to the camera, and we are back. So let's go back, let me edit, and then we'll finalize the audio quality. We are at the final review of this lavalier mic. I want to say that this mic set is okay. It's decent, especially for the price. If you're just starting out on blogging or doing some outdoor interviews and stuff like that, this mic set is pretty decent. Now, this is not like the last mic set I reviewed. What was it? The Manio. That mic set, I can say, is very excellent. All right, and that's due to the price range, you guys. That's a whole nother price level. We're talking about $150 lavalier mic compared to a $40 lavalier mic. For one, they're just not putting the same equipment in the same mics. All right, and this one is much lighter. Like this is like a feather. You can throw this, right? The other ones was a little bit, you know, it wasn't heavy, but you can feel the different quality of it. And also on that, I did test this out on my phone. It was decent. It was straight. Nothing was wrong. Everything went well. Just in case if you had any questions about that. Alright you guys, so that's the end of this review. I have a friend of mine that I am sending this to. Alright you guys, so if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back with y'all as soon as possible, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.